Peppa Pig was travelling aboard the Hello Kitty train to see if Princess Sofia would like to come out to play with her at the park. She carefully got out of the train and knocked on the castle doors. Queen Miranda opened the big doors and greeted her warmly. "Hello, Peppa. Are you calling for Sofia today?" she asked. "Yes," said Peppa. "It has stopped raining and I was wondering if she would like to play." Princess Sofia came to the door and was very happy to see her friend. "You can go out for a short time," said Queen Miranda, "but be very careful not to get your dress dirty. It has been raining recently and there may be some muddy puddles around." Princess Sofia nodded her head and the two girls eagerly climbed into the train. "Let's have some fun," shouted Princess Sofia. When they arrived at the park, the two girls first made their way to the roundabout. "Careful, Sofia," said Peppa as they spun round and round. "Don't fall in the puddle." And just then she fell splat into the mud. "Oh dear," said Peppa. "Never mind, I'm used to getting muddy." After the roundabout, the girls headed for the swings. "This is fun," said Princess Sofia. "Watch out for the puddles," said Peppa before falling once again into the mud. "Let's go on the zip wire," smiled Princess Sofia. "Okay," agreed Peppa, and she was the first to test it out. "Watch out for the mud," cried Peppa. "We'd better go back now," said Peppa. "Can we have one last go on the slide?" asked Princess Sofia. "No," said Peppa, "there's too much mud at the bottom." "I'll be fine," cried Princess Sofia. "I don't have a speck of mud on me, while you are covered. You should copy what I do." And she quickly clambered up the slide. Oh dear, her dress was covered. "Oh no," cried Princess Sofia. "I'm going to be in so much trouble now. Look at my poor dress." Just then, Peppa spotted a water tower. "We could always wash the mud off," she suggested. "It's such a hot day today, I'm sure it'll dry out very quickly." "Great idea," smiled Princess Sofia, and the two girls stood underneath the water. They were soon all nice and clean, and they did indeed dry out very quickly, and so could return to the castle without getting into any trouble at all.